Do we have a whole universe in our mind? Where there is a living creature like us in a dry land? Or do we live in this universe? Is it someone else's mind? And if so, who could it be? Is it an alien? Is it someone else? Is it just a human being who controls us? Or is it the whole universe? The truth is beyond our imagination. Hello, boys and girls, my friends and subscribers. I hope you are well. You are watching my videos. Today I am going to talk about something that is true even if it is unbelievable, something that is beyond our imagination. But this is also true, so please don't skip this video. Even after reaching such a height of civilization, there are still many mysteries that we humans have not been able to understand. And the two most mysterious things in these subjects are right in front of us. That is a big challenge for us. One is the universe itself, and the other is our mind. Yes, the universe and our mind are like a small mirror in front of a huge ocean. These two things are very complicated, very different, and very mysterious. The truth is that the human mind and our universe are very much the same, as if our mind has another universe, or this entire universe is another mind. It is possible that you may not be able to understand what I am saying at the beginning, or it may be difficult for you to understand where this vast universe is and where our own mind is. But if you watch the whole video carefully, then you will not be surprised to know about the history of these two mysteries. This vast universe, just like the human mind, is made up of these two things. An astrophysicist of the Bologna University and a neurosurgeon of the Verona University have studied the human mind and the vast universe together. They have compared the neural network of the human mind and the vast galactic network of the vast universe. And the results of this comparison are as follows: there was no difference between the human mind and the vast universe. The vast universe and the human mind are so similar that we can't even imagine. Each and everything in the universe was so similar that we felt that our mind is the vast universe. So, boys and girls, my friends and subscribers, today I am going to show you these 10 things so that you can be amazed and realize that the human mind and the vast universe are so similar. Let's start. Friends, look at this picture. This picture was once circulated on the internet and it went viral. In this picture, you can see the vast universe where the galaxy of the vast universe and the clusters are connected. On the other hand, the picture you are looking at is the picture of the human mind, which looks like the vast universe. If you look at it, you will find that the human mind and the vast universe are very similar. This is not the end of the story. Scientists believe that these two things are almost the same. That is, our mind is like the creation of the vast universe. It doesn't mean that our mind is like a ball of fire. The universe is the same as the universe created by our mind. It's not just that. These two things are made up of different substances in the vast universe. Their origin can be the same raw material, but it changes a lot of things. That's why if the human mind and the vast universe are made up of different substances, the way the human mind and the vast universe work is almost the same. The human mind has a part called cochlea, which is present in our ears. This cochlea is very similar to the sound waves of the vast universe. Its composition is almost the same. Friends, if we include all the neurons in our brain, then their total weight is 30% of our brain. And the surprising thing is that whatever is in this vast universe, that is, the weight that is created by including all the weights, is also 30% of the galaxy, the vast universe. Do you still think of it as a coincidence? We have seen or understood the vast universe. It is called the vast universe. And in the vast universe, there is a mass of 100 billion galaxies, which is called the vast universe. My friends, scientists have found such a network in our brain. The human brain has about 70 billion neurons, which together create a neural network in our brain that looks like a small galaxy. Whether the human brain has neurons or not, whether there is a galaxy in the vast universe or not, these two are very important for development. And as you have seen, how similar these two are. But the point is not over here. There is another significant milestone between the two. These two waves split and, through a long event, create a grid along with each other. And the remaining 70% of the human body is made up of water, and 70% of the vast universe is created with dark energy. And there is a mixture of the two, water and dark energy. These two inactive substances, water in the human brain and dark energy, are very helpful in the development of the vast universe. If you still think that the vision of the human brain and the vast universe is just a coincidence, then our evolution will enlighten you even more. Distraction has been proven to have a similar quantity in the vast universe and the human brain. A machine called power spectrum analysis measures the thickness of a flat surface and, with the help of distillation, is able to bring a very shiny force in front of us. So, friends, the thickness of the cortex of the human brain and the mass of the vast universe is very close in terms of substance density. Where the human brain's thickness is between 1 and 0.1 micrometer, it becomes infinite within the system of this universe. The force of this force is 25% of the mass. Both the human brain and the vast universe are excellent data processing systems. The human brain can store a vast amount of data, communicating with the whole body through each nerve. Similarly, the vast universe itself is a data processing system. The data produced in it is processed by itself, and this vast universe exists for a long time through these data, creating different patterns from matter and force. No, the human brain and the vast universe are not just a coincidence. They share a lot of similarities. The sequence of events in both follows a pattern. From 3800 to 4700 knots, a vast universe connects with every knot having a connectivity range of 3.8 to 4.1. Similarly, from 1800 to 2000 knots, the cortex of the human brain exhibits a connectivity range of 4.1 to 4.6. Coincidence? Friends, what else can it be but an amazing phenomenon? But there is still one more revelation left. If you find it difficult to understand, you can Google it and you will understand. The capacity of the human brain is 2.5 petabytes. And if we want to store the vast universe in one place, then we will need 4.3 petabytes of storage. For your understanding, 1 petabyte means 10 lakh gigabytes. Now, imagine how powerful our brain is, just like the vast universe. Now, friends, scientists have discovered all this and want to know how the human brain and the vast universe can be so similar. And that's why the question arises, is there a vast universe in our brain beyond our imagination? Where there is an animal like us, or do we live in that vast universe? Is it someone else's brain? And if so, who could it be? Is it a deity, an alien, a human being, or is it all imaginary? The truth is beyond our imagination. But amidst that truth, we are running, we are humans. So, friends, stay tuned. If you want to watch this type of video or gather this type of knowledge, then please subscribe to my channel. I will come again with a healthy, well-informed video. Till then, stay well, take care, have a fantastic day.